call you back down. Leave me alone. Try to fuck, but you dumb as fuck. Running out the box down. Leave me alone. Try to fuck, but you dumb as fuck.
What's going on, 392 again? This is a guy Cream back with another video. Today we're going down to Bradenton track. They're having a Get Ratchet Friday this January. Yeah, this January. I'm going to meet up with a couple guys at the gas station, and we're gonna make our way down there. So stay tuned for this video. It's going to be live. So guys, we're here right now. About to show y'all the car scene out here. It's kind of dark, so work with me a little bit. So we're about to get into it.
I'm gonna be calling all.
Call it fast too, them Eclipse. Yeah. Oh, right here. I'm suing. About to get a check. They out here wilding, boy. It's live tonight.
Gotta get away with that shit, girl.
Huh? I see you out there.
Popping my ear and shit.
Hey, my guy over here trying to stay away from that shit.
Yeah, you can feel the spark, bro.
He don't like all that popping. That's too much for him.
Shootout will also be going down.
You scared?
Imports versus domestics. All cars.
There we go. We got two Camaros. Two Camaros about to line it up.
If they haven't signed on yet, make sure they sign up. And the crowd chooses the winners. Once again, the dance battle is going down by the DJ booth at 10 p.m. We're drag racing all night. If you haven't checked it out yet, the car meet is going down. We've got vendors in the midway, Eat, Sleep, Race, and Enemy.
Yes, we have a car down on the track. Say bye-bye.
Full Borla exhaust, 1 3/4 inch long tube headers, Borla all the way back.
All right.
also got an MSD two-step. Locked at 4,000. No, hit it again, hit it again.
Y'all heard that. Wow. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If y'all like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Tomorrow I'm going down to Naples to go see it. It's called Wanna Go Fast. I'm gonna record that for y'all. Till next time, we out. Peace.